Welcome back. In this lesson, we're diving into one of the biggest time savers in meal planning, batch cooking. Batch cooking means preparing multiple servings or base ingredients at once so you can mix and match meals throughout the week without spending hours in the kitchen every day. It's the secret weapon for busy people who want to eat healthy consistently. Let's start with why batch cooking works. When you cook in batches, you reduce decision fatigue, save time on prep and cleanup, and always have nutritious food ready to go. It turns cooking from a daily chore into a once or twice a week routine. Step 1. Choose your batch cooking day. Most people pick Sunday or midweek, days when they have a little extra time. Block out 2 to 3 hours to cook and organize your meals for the week. Step 2. Plan your menu. Choose 3 to 4 main dishes or base components you can reuse in multiple ways. For example, grilled chicken, roasted vegetables, quinoa, and a hearty soup. You can mix and match these throughout the week for endless combinations. Step 3. Prep before you cook. Chop all vegetables, wash greens, and gather ingredients before turning on the stove. Group tasks together, like chopping all your onions or roasting all your veggies at once, to stay efficient. Step 4. Cook in layers. Start with foods that take the longest, such as grains or proteins, then move on to quick cooking items like vegetables or sauces. Multitask smartly. While one dish cooks, prep the next. Step 5. Store strategically. Divide meals or ingredients into individual containers for grab-and-go convenience. Use airtight glass containers for freshness and label each one with the name and date. Store meals for 3 to 4 days in the fridge and the rest in the freezer if needed. Step 6. Keep variety in mind. To prevent boredom, change seasonings, sauces, or sides. The same chicken can taste completely different with teriyaki sauce one day and Mediterranean spices the next. Step 7. Use your oven efficiently. Roast multiple trays of veggies or proteins at once. It's faster, cleaner, and gives your food a great texture. You can also use slow cookers or instant pots to handle larger portions with minimal effort. Step 8. Prep versatile staples. Cook extra rice, beans, and eggs. These can be turned into countless meals like burrito bowls, salads, or stir-fries. Having these ready makes weekday meals quick and satisfying. Step 9. Don't forget about breakfast and snacks. Batch cook items like overnight oats, egg muffins, or energy bites to make mornings smoother. Healthy snacks like hummus, cut fruit, and nuts keep your energy up during the day. Step 10. Clean as you go. Keep a sink of warm, soapy water nearby and wash tools between steps. You'll finish cooking with minimal cleanup stress. The beauty of batch cooking is flexibility. You don't have to prep an entire week if that feels overwhelming. Even making 2 large dishes will save you hours later. Over time, you'll find your perfect rhythm. Here's your quick recap. Pick a cooking day, plan your menu, prep in advance, cook in layers, store smart, and vary your flavors. Batch cooking turns healthy eating from something you have to do into something that just happens automatically. In the next lesson, we'll explore how to portion and store food safely so your prepped meals stay fresh, delicious, and ready when you need them. Let's get cooking.